Welcome to our analysis of Easypost, a cutting-edge shipping API solution. Easypost is designed to simplify the integration of shipping capabilities into e-commerce platforms or applications. It provides a streamlined way to rate, buy, and print shipping labels from multiple carriers, ensuring a smooth shipping process for businesses and their customers. Easypost offers numerous features. It supports domestic and international shipping, tracking, and insurance across over 60 carriers. It also provides address verification, ensuring that packages are delivered to correct and valid addresses. You can generate labels in various formats and even schedule pickups. Plus, its API is developer-friendly, allowing for easy integration into existing systems. Easypost operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model. This means you only pay for what you use, with no monthly or annual fees. The cost per label starts at just 1 cent for the first 50,000 shipments per month. As your volume increases, the pricing per label decreases. For high-volume shippers, custom pricing is available. Easypost proves beneficial for a variety of use cases. E-commerce businesses can integrate it to streamline their shipping process. Logistics companies can use it to track shipments across multiple carriers. It's also ideal for businesses that want to offer their customers a seamless return shipping experience. Finally, developers can leverage its API for creating custom shipping solutions. Easypost offers several advantages. It simplifies the shipping process, saving businesses time and resources. Its pay-as-you-go pricing model is cost-effective, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. It supports a wide range of carriers, giving businesses flexibility. And lastly, its robust API allows for seamless integration and customization. Despite its advantages, Easypost has some limitations. Its API, while powerful, may be complex for non-technical users. It lacks phone support, which can be a drawback for some users. And while it supports many carriers, not all regional or local carriers are included. Lastly, its per-label pricing can add up for businesses with high shipping volumes. Easypost is a powerful shipping API solution that offers flexibility and scalability. It's affordable for small and medium-sized businesses, but the cost can increase with higher volumes. Its API might be complex for non-technical users, but it provides robust functionality for those who can navigate it. Overall, it's a versatile tool for businesses of all sizes. In conclusion, Easypost is a compelling solution for anyone needing a simplified, flexible, and cost-effective shipping process. It has its limitations, but its advantages can outweigh these for most businesses. It's definitely worth considering if you're looking to optimize your shipping operations. Thank you for watching our analysis of Easypost. We hope this information has been helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We appreciate your support.